Considered to be one of the most ancient and versatile medicinal herbs known to man, dried chamomile flowers have numerous widespread health implications thanks to their high levels of disease-fighting antioxidants like terpenoids and flavonoids. Chamomile's vital antioxidants are found in the plant's potent oils and are the main contributors to its natural healing properties. As an effective alternative medicine with almost no known negative side effects, chamomile has been used for nearly 5,000 years in standardized tea, herbal extracts, and cosmetic forms to promote tranquility, vitality, a youthful appearance, and longevity. There's two types of chamomile used medicinally: German chamomile and Roman chamomile. The chamomile plant is native to Western Europe and Northern Africa, but nowadays is grown all around the world in different temperate regions. Records show that chamomile's benefits have been recognized for centuries, with the herb being used both medicinally and cosmetically. Germans have used chamomile to resolve digestive issues since at least the 1st century, and records show that Egyptians worshipped the plant and dedicated festivals to its healing properties. Egyptian noblewomen were known to crush chamomile flowers and apply them to their skin to preserve their youthful glow and naturally slow signs of aging. Romans used chamomile as a medicinal herb to fight diseases and to promote longevity. Its healing qualities spread throughout Europe, and eventually the British brought chamomile to North America. Doctors throughout Europe and in the early settlements of America included chamomile in their medicinal bag because it was able to reduce pain, inflammation, allergies, and digestive issues. People also used it as a natural deodorant, shampoo, and perfume. Today, chamomile tea and herbal extracts are sold worldwide for human consumption. 1 cup of chamomile tea has 2 calories, 2 milligrams of sodium, and no cholesterol. Chamomile is commonly used for improving many different health conditions, including anxiety and depression, seasonal allergy, inflammatory conditions, muscle spasms, PMS symptoms and other menstrual disorders, insomnia, skin disorders, ulcers, wounds, gastrointestinal disorders, arthritis symptoms and rheumatic pain, and hemorrhoids. Chamomile benefits our health by soothing the body, relieving mild pain, fighting skin irritations, and helping to ease anxiety. Research also shows that drinking chamomile tea can help to improve sleep quality and fatigue, and even alleviate depression. The list of ways that chamomile extract can be used is surprisingly long. Drinking chamomile tea is the most popular way to use this powerful herb. You can also diffuse chamomile essential oil at home. Use the oil to soothe skin conditions. Chamomile extract is also available to be used to relieve digestive issues and to promote liver detoxification. The main antioxidant components extracted from chamomile flowers are the terpenoid groups of antioxidants, including chamomile and acetylene derivatives. Because these delicate compounds are unstable, they're thought to be best preserved in an alcohol tincture or essential oil form. Other major constituents of the flower include several phenolic compounds, primarily the flavonoids, including apigenin, quercetin, petrolatin, as well as various glycosides. These compounds help to reduce inflammation by fighting free radical damage and preventing cell mutations. Chamomile's benefits start with antioxidants and are associated with better immune function, lower rates of mood disorders, reduced pain and swelling, and healthier skin, hair, nails, teeth, and eyes. Chamomile, whether in tea, tincture, or essential oil form, is one of the best medicinal herbs for fighting stress and promoting relaxation, according to research from Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine and Pharmacognosy Review. Inhaling chamomile vapors using chamomile oil is often recommended as a natural remedy for depression and general anxiety, which is one of the reasons why chamomile oil is popular in many candles, aromatherapy products, and bath soaking treatments. In extract form, chamomile is frequently used as a mild sedative to calm nerves and reduce anxiety because its vapors travel directly to the olfactory part of the brain, turning off tension and reducing the body's stress response. This is why practitioners use chamomile to effectively relieve symptoms of chronic anxiety and stress, including hysteria, nightmares, insomnia, and various digestive problems. Smells are carried directly to the brain, and they serve as an emotional trigger. The limbic system evaluates the sensory stimuli, registering pleasure, pain, danger, or safety. This then directs our emotional response, such as feelings of fear, anger, and attraction. Our basic emotions and hormonal balance are in response to the most basic smell. Scents are a direct pathway to memory and emotion. Fragrances, like chamomile, relieve pain and generally affect personality and behavior. Research proves that using fragrances is one of the fastest ways to achieve psychological results. Believed to be a powerful digestive relaxant, chamomile can be used to treat various gastrointestinal disturbances, including gas, acid reflux symptoms, indigestion, diarrhea, anorexia, motion sickness, nausea, and vomiting. Chamomile extract can help to shorten the course of diarrhea and colic in children, as well as relieve symptoms associated with conditions like pain and anxiety. Chamomile oil also contains anodyne, which are antispasmodic, reducing cramping, constipation, and other stomach pains. Many of the benefits are due to chamomile's natural relaxing effects. Because the brain and the gut communicate directly back and forth via the vagus nerve, a more relaxed mind can also help heal a leaky gut, which can mean reduced symptoms of chronic conditions like a leaky gut, IBS, and other gut-related issues. Chamomile's benefits include mellowing effects, and this also makes it a good choice for pregnant women in order to relax the digestive tract and act as a natural remedy for nausea. Chamomile is sometimes called a herbal aspirin, since it's been popular as a home remedy for lowering pain for centuries. Chamomile flowers are used alone or in combination with other anti-inflammatory foods to reduce pain, congestion, swelling, and redness. They're effective at reducing facial swelling, skin irritations, toothaches, pain from injections, and underlying issues of inflammation. This is the reason that chamomile extract is commonly added to beauty products like facial or body lotions, toothpastes, and bath soaps. A 2018 crossover study published in Neurological Science found that a chamomile gel was able to reduce migraine pain. Chamomile can also naturally lower pain associated with arthritis, injuries, back pain, fevers, and pregnancy. In fact, its pain-reducing qualities are even used to soothe the body and mind after giving birth. For example, in some parts of the world, like Mexico, chamomile tea is given to women after labour to relax their abdominal muscles and help them rest. Recently, several studies dug into the anti-cancer effects of chamomile. Evidence shows positive effects of chamomile stopping cancerous tumour growth and acting as a natural cancer treatment. Inhibition of cancerous cells is believed to be due to chamomile's antioxidants called apigenin, which are bioactive constituents that appear to help fight skin, prostate, breast, and ovarian cancers. In a recent study published by the Journal of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology, chamomile extracts were shown to cause minimal growth inhibitory effects on normal healthy cells, but they showed significant reductions in human cancer cells, especially androgen refractory cells that are often leading to prostate cancer. Because chamomile's benefits include both fighting infections and reducing mucus congestion, it's added to many nasal sprays. Chamomile tea is also a good choice when you're sick and want to beat a cold, the flu, or a sinus infection. Studies indicate that inhaling steam with chamomile extracts is helpful in common cold symptoms. Some people even gargle chamomile tea or extract to fight inflammation of the mucous membranes and within the mouth and the throat. Chamomile promotes smooth, healthy skin and relieves irritations thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Chamomile's flavonoids and essential oils penetrate below the skin surface into the deeper skin layers, preserving its youthful appearance, complexion, and immune defenses. As a traditional medicine, it's been used for centuries to treat wounds, ulcers, eczema, gout, skin irritations, bruises, burns, and canker sores. Today we know that chamomile's benefits and uses go even further. It's also useful for getting rid of signs of aging, like dark spots and fine lines, reducing dandruff naturally, treating chicken pox quickly, and fading scars. Additionally, it makes a great natural diaper rash treatment and can even be used around the eyes to fight infections and styes. In addition to healing the skin and the respiratory tract, chamomile's benefits include the ability to fight various bacterial infections of the oral cavity, the teeth, and the gums. Chamomile's benefits help to reduce pain associated with canker sores, wounds, and toothaches. Plus, they fight harmful bacteria that can live within the mouth. A pilot study published in the Journal of Oral Science found that a mouthwash containing a 1% chamomile extract effectively reduced biofilm accumulation and bleeding in patients with gingivitis. This was likely due to the herb's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activities. Recently, chamomile has been associated with providing cardiovascular protection. Because of its high level of flavonoids, chamomile consumed in food is linked with a lower risk of death from coronary heart disease in elderly men. One study published in The Lancet assessed the flavonoid intake of 805 men aged 65 to 84 years and found that higher flavonoid intake from foods and herbs was significantly inversely associated with mortality from coronary heart disease. Diffuse chamomile and lavender essential oils around your home to reduce feelings of stress and tension. They can also help you fall asleep easily. Heal blistered skin by mixing 2 drops of tea tree oil and chamomile and then apply to blistered areas up to 5 times per day. Combine lavender or chamomile oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply to the skin with a cotton ball to reduce swelling and pain. Mix half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of vinegar, and 5 drops of chamomile and bergamot oil. Rub into your muscles and then soak in the bath for at least 15 minutes to calm your mind and to help soothe muscle aches. Apply 2 to 4 drops of chamomile, lavender, and peppermint essential oil to your temples for a cooling effect, immediate relaxation, and help staying asleep. To boost mood and relieve depression, add chamomile oil and rose essential oil to your bath, or inhale the mix and diffuse it through your home to improve your mood. Help soothe and calm children by adding lavender or chamomile to their stuffed animals or blankets. Mix 2 drops of chamomile oil, sage, basil, and rosemary oil, and then apply to a warm, moist hand towel and apply to the abdomen. Inhale chamomile, peppermint, lavender, and ginger oil to reduce motion sickness. Mix chamomile with eucalyptus, wintergreen, and cypress oil, as well as an unscented lotion or coconut oil, and then rub it into sore or aching muscles. Chamomile is recognized as likely safe when it's taken in amounts found in food, and possibly safe when it's taken by mouth or applied to the skin for short periods of time. If you're going to use chamomile oil, remember that it's meant to be used topically on the skin and not to be ingested. Do a patch test first on a small part of your skin to make sure that you don't have any negative reaction to the plant oil before applying a larger dose of the oil. Chamomile oil shouldn't be used by anyone with existing seasonal allergy symptoms, such as allergies to ragweed or its relatives, since this can bring on allergic reactions. If you suffer from hay fever, frequent hives, or dermatitis, it's also a good idea to stay away from chamomile products, or at least talk to your doctor before using them. People with a hormone-sensitive condition, such as endometriosis, fibroids, or cancers of the breast, uterus, and ovaries, should avoid using chamomile because it may act like estrogen in the body. One other thing to take note of is that chamomile products are thought to be mild uterine stimulants, so if you're pregnant, speak with a professional before ingesting chamomile extracts.